In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, several players have emerged, each promising unique capabilities. ChatGPT stands out for its impressive conversational abilities and versatility, easily adapting to a range of topics and queries. Its strength lies in generating human-like responses that enhance user interaction, making it a go-to for those seeking engaging dialogue and informative responses. Meanwhile, Gemini enters the arena with a focused directive on understanding context and user intent. Its AI model is tailored to offer insights that are precise and relevant, aiming to anticipate user needs. This makes Gemini particularly effective in professional settings, where clarity and precision are paramount in communication. Copilot, on the other hand, specializes in assisting developers with code completion and suggestions. Seamlessly integrating into coding environments, it acts like a reliable partner, streamlining the coding process and enhancing productivity. Copilot's strengths highlight the growing intersection of AI with software development, showcasing its significant potential in transforming how programmers work. DeepSeek AI takes a different approach, emphasizing deep learning and data analysis to drive insights from vast data sets. Its capability to identify patterns and trends makes it a powerful tool for businesses looking to harness data-driven decision-making. As AI continues to reshape industries, the contrasts among these technologies reveal a rich tapestry of innovation. Ultimately, the competition among ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek AI heralds a new era where tailored AI solutions are becoming indispensable across various domains, enhancing productivity and user experience.